This is the true story of Ganesha's elephant head. Parvati, alone in her home, decided to create a son from the dust of her body. She brought him to life and commanded him to guard the entrance. When Shiva returned, the child, Ganesha, blocked his path. Shiva, not knowing who he was, flew into a divine rage and beheaded him. When Parvati discovered this, she vowed to destroy the universe. To ease her pain, Shiva promised to bring the child back to life. His servants found the first living being facing north, an elephant. Shiva then placed this head on Ganesha's body, making him the god who removes all obstacles. This elephant head symbolizes wisdom, memory, patience, and quiet strength. Ganesha reminds us that every obstacle is an opportunity for spiritual growth.